Hi, I'm Phil Weicker,
And I'm Duncan Forster,
and we're here today to tell you about the Carpool DeVille.
a vehicle that we hope to take to Bonneville, Utah on August 9th in order to set the land speed record for the world's fastest hot tub.
We acquired this 1969 Cadillac DeVille in 2008, basing our design on a prototype we made when we were engineering students at McMaster University. We converted it into a fully functioning, fully mobile hot tub. All modifications were done in-house, including the fiberglass tub, molding, and dashboard.
The engine is the original 472 cubic inch V8, which will propel the Carpool DeVille to its world record-setting speed and heat the water in the tub to a tepid 102 degrees.
The trunk has been converted to the Carpool's physical plant. It contains the pool pump, AC/DC converter, pool filter, overflow tank, and our custom air ride system, which makes it possible to ride smooth and easy while ferrying an additional 5,000 pounds of water.
It's all controlled from the driver's seat. The steering system is watertight, and the gauges will be installed behind hermetically sealed acrylic plastic.
This marine throttle provides shift control for the stock automatic transmission, as well as the gas and brake functions.
Any vehicle run at the Bonneville Speedway must meet strict safety requirements. This custom-built safety roll cage is designed to mount inside the Carpool DeVille.
The salt flats of Wendover, Utah are located over 600 miles from where we are presently soaking. The reason we are coming to you on Kickstarter today is that the costs associated with getting the Carpool DeVille fully race ready, in addition to getting it and our associated crew to the track and accommodated there, requires fuel, truck, trailer, and RV rentals that, in addition to the race registration fees, quickly tally up to the $10,000 goal that we have set for this campaign.
We've been working on Carpool DeVille for over 6 years, and we've gotten it about as far as we can. The rest, that's up to you.
My name is Sean Frayne. I'm a longtime holographer and one of the co-inventors of the Looking Glass. I've dreamed of having a holographic display most of my life. Not AR or VR, but, you know, the hologram. The Looking Glass is a new type of light field display that generates 45 simultaneous views of a 3D world, all at 60 frames per second. No VR headset required.
Just go up to one of these displays and you look at it and you interact with it. There's no clunky headgear, there's no extended setup. It's amazing.
We're releasing a Unity SDK and Universal Model and Animation Importer, with a lot more plugins into other 3D creation tools over the coming months. No matter what tool you use, your work will be able to come to life in the Looking Glass.
So you are close to this technology, you are like interacting with this display. It's a really intimate process of creation.
This is an interesting feeling, that like connection between you and something that's living inside the glass.
I saw these things in sci-fi comics and movies growing up. It seemed impossible, like sending holograms of yourself to another country.
Looking Glass is unique in that it fulfills kind of what we've imagined in a lot of ways around what a true volumetric display would look like.
The Looking Glass connects up to any modern PC or Mac with a couple cables. And then you can either create your own 3D content or explore what everyone around the world is making with a single click.
Like making your hands in actual reality, but in a magical box.
My initial experience with Looking Glass was really that it's magic. The way in which you experience it is much more natural and instinctive in terms of seeing how you can understand the layers of the space.
The dream of the hologram is finally here. And all of us in Looking Glass Factory are designing new and impossible things in looking glasses every day. So whether you're a rocket designer, 3D animator, or volumetric videographer, get a looking glass and bring your 3D creations to life.
Hey, I'm David.
And I'm Eric.
And 3 years ago, we came to you, to Kickstarter, and told you about our dream to make a low-cost underwater robot.
We wanted to make underwater exploration accessible to everybody.
A lot has happened in the past 3 years. We've shipped thousands of these robots to 50 countries, every continent. And most importantly, we've built this community of people who are obsessed with pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So for the last 3 years, we've been working on how to make underwater exploration tools the right way. And what we've come up with is something we are extremely excited to announce.
This is the Trident.
At OpenROV, we believe that exploration is not just about gathering data, but also about experiencing new worlds in a new way. We've designed Trident to be extremely fun to fly.
Most ROVs, they move up and down slowly. They go left and right, forward and reverse. Trident is nothing like that. It flies like an airplane. It speeds along, you can bank, you can dive. It's fun to fly. It goes fast when you want it to, but it can slow down and be precise when you have something you want to inspect.
Getting video from underwater has always been a challenge because radio waves don't travel through water. So we've developed a very lightweight, neutrally buoyant tether, which communicates the video feed from the ROV up to the surface. That attaches to a wireless buoy, which allows you to control the ROV from any Wi-Fi connected device.
Like a tablet, a laptop, or even a VR device like an Oculus Rift or a Google Cardboard. We wanted an ROV that could go to places that no ROV had been before. So we designed it to be ultra portable, whether you're hiking to high alpine lakes or you're bringing this as carry-on luggage. It goes wherever you go.
Most ROVs are designed to look in specific places where you already know where the target is, but we've realized that a lot of people want to explore with an ROV. We've designed Trident to be extremely hydrodynamic and excellent at going in long, straight lines. This allows you to do lawnmower patterns, being able to broadly explore a place that you've never seen before and find out what's there.
We've seen community members take this model and create 3D visualizations of the seafloor.
Using technologies like photogrammetry and structure from motion, we hope that we can help create maps of the underwater world that will allow us to see it in a completely new light.
I joined this project when it was the initial Kickstarter, and I did it because it was going to be a chance to take this hardware, these robots, and I was going to be able to use my software skills to actually program them and have them do stuff underwater. I've been using that to build a platform now that lets other software geeks like myself contribute and help programmers to find ways to control robots. We've made a plug-in architecture that allows you to add your own components, add new sensors, new technology to an ROV after it's already been developed and out in the field. The OpenROV software, it's bigger than any single ROV. It's opening the door to services and technologies that we're just now scratching the surface of. From mapping to autonomous computer control to imaging reefs and underwater shipwrecks in 3D. We're going to be able to send this data and utilize cloud computing, mesh networking, and all kinds of future technologies to make it available to everybody.
So whether you're a fisherman, a researcher, a recreational boater, or just someone who's curious about what's below the surface, this is the tool for you.
So here we are. We've spent the last 4 years developing underwater robots, and we've never been more excited about the project we have now.
To get to the next level, to bring Trident to life, we need your help. So check out the reward levels, let us know what you think, and together, let's build the future of underwater exploration.
Thank you.